How to disable Alexa on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable it easy and quick. First open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and then click settings. If you can't find settings here, just go to these three lines and scroll down and you will find it, and then click permissions. Now wait, and that's it. Now scroll all the way down until you find the microphone, and here we'll find it, Alexa disable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.